Good morning, Center 2. So today for phonics, we're going to play a spelling game trying to spell the words that we are familiar with that has in silent letters. So remember, silent letters are the letters that you do not hear when you say the word. So to play, you're just going to click on the picture and it will take you here. When you're here, you're going to click on this activity that's called against the clock. So you're going to click on this activity. When you click on it, it will pop up like this and tells you that it's counting down your score. The faster you play, the better. We will choose play as single player. Play as single player. Click on that.
Get ready to play against the clock.
3.
Okay.
Ghost. Spectre is another word for ghost. Ghost.
So it's asking me to spell the word ghost, and they read it out. Someone reads it out to you. So once you have the correct spelling, you press check.
Thumb. The killer was trapped by his thumbprint.
Asking me to spell the word thumb. So once I have it, I can press check. If I need to hear it again, I can press here again. It will let me know if I'm getting
A
it
well-known
correct
person is a
or not.
celebrity.
So go
Known.
ahead, have fun, and play the game.